Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to set up SMB protocol on your Windows PC and then share files between your PC and your phone using the CX File Explorer. First, let's enable file sharing in Windows settings. Go to search bar and search for advanced sharing settings. Go to private networks, turn network discovery on, also file and printer sharing on, then go down to all networks and turn password protected sharing on. Close this, then create a folder to share on the network. Then give it a name, SMB share. Then go to properties, sharing tab, advanced sharing, share this folder. The name is SMB share. Permissions, give full control to anyone that will connect to this folder. Then apply and click OK. Click apply and click OK. Then close. Now let's create an account that will be used to access this folder from other machines. Go to search bar again and search for users. Click add, edit or remove users, and then click add account. Let's name it SMB user. Make it secure password. Enter password. Then go to security questions. And then click next. Now this is the account that will be used to access files from other machines. Then go back to the folder you created and go to properties, security tab. Let's add this user account we created to this folder. You go to edit, add, search for the account we created, which is SMB user, and click check names. It appears here automatically, and click OK. Then give full control again here, apply and click OK, and click OK. Then add some files to this folder so that we can access those files after. Let's add some files. Copy and then paste. Paste. These are the files that will be copied that we will access from other machines. Then close. Now let's make sure that Windows Firewall allows SMB traffic. Go to search bar and search for Windows Defender Firewall. Open it. go to inbound rules and search for file and printer sharing, SMB in. Make sure it is enabled. Yeah, it is enabled. Make sure it is enabled. Also, file and printer sharing echo requests, it has to be enabled so that you can ping the server. You can be able to ping the server from other machines. It is enabled, and that's cool. You close. Now for the phone, I'm using CX File Explorer. It's free and handles SMB connections perfectly. Open it and go to the Network tab. When connected, you can copy files, paste, and even stream media directly. Let me show you in the demo. On your mobile, go to Play Store and search for CX File Explorer. Install and open it. Tap on Network, tap on New Location, and tap on Remote. Tap on SMB. Then put in the IP address of your file server and make sure you are connected to the same network with your server. In my case, it's 192.168.43.2. And then the username we created to access the shared folder, SMB share. The name is SMB user. And then the password. And tap on OK. Now these are the folders shared on our server. There are 4 folders, but we have access to only one folder, which is SMB share. All other folders, we can't do anything to them. Even if you try, like open this, you see loading error, access denied. If you try to open this, it's empty, but even if you try to create a folder here, access will be denied. Let's try and see. Add. Failed to create a folder. This is because we have no access to this folder. But let me open the folder that we have access to, which is SMB share. You will see the files are here. All the files, they are here. And we can copy files from here to our phone. Let me copy some files. Copy. Then I go back to the main storage. Local main storage and paste. You see how fast it is? These are the files from our server. They are copied to my phone now. I can also copy from my phone to the server. I can do this. Let me copy some audio clips. Library, audio. Copy. Then go back to the SMB server. Tap it. Then back to your SMB shared folder and paste. You see down here, these are the files, the audio files. So this is how SMB works. It's a very powerful protocol. You can always use it to share files between your PC and your phone. Thank you for watching. And that's how we use SMB to share files between our PC and our phones. If you found this message or this video useful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.